it's Marsha, and this week we're doing paper airplanes. You can get kits all over the web, internet, order them on Amazon, but I thought I'd show you a simple paper airplane like my dad taught me. Flies really well. Start with this, and then you can grow up to more difficult designs. Okay, so you'll need one sheet of paper. Doesn't have to be marked, but I'll give you the link to this template in case you want guides to remind you where to fold. So any 8.5 by 11 sheet or any size paper you can work. It'll just turn out a little bit differently depending on what size paper you have. First, we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to meet the edges. Get a nice sharp crease. Then we're going to turn it, and we're going to do these folds here. Get a nice sharp crease. And this doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to match up the edges as best you can. Okay, so now we have our first two folds done. Now we're going to do this. Second fold. Well, I guess technically it's the third fold. You won't find this design in many books because I think it's maybe the original paper airplane. Everyone wants to do fancier stuff. So I actually haven't found this one in books. Okay, so now we've done this, I guess it's the third fold. The last fold again, so right now we're nice and symmetrical. The last fold, we're gonna fold this down again. And then we fold the last side up. Okay, makes sense. Trying to match those sides. We're trying to get as symmetrical as possible. So this has a nice kind of pointy fold. And if you want, you can take a paper clip just to hold the bottom together. Okay, so now you have a paper airplane. Now this should fly pretty straight. You can experiment with the angle of attack and launch. And then the other thing you can do is you can cut some flaps on the back. And then you can experiment with what happens if you tilt the flaps up or down. Does it affect flight? So I've got some cool videos of airplane wings during takeoff and landing, showing how the flaps are used to control the airplane's flight. So join me in the next video showing real aircraft wing flaps in operation. Meanwhile, have fun testing your paper airplanes.